Hi Tim, Mr. Rator here, finishing off higher Unit 11, question 12. Let's just have a quick read of this and see how we go about it. Right, the diagram shows a solid wooden sphere. So that's 2 centimeters. Okay. The radius of the sphere is 2 centimeters. The mass of the sphere is 45 grams. Wood will float on dead sea only when the density of the wood is less than 1.24 grams per centimeter cube. Will this wooden sphere float on dead sea? Okay, so let's work out the density. Now before we work out the density, let's put our triangle moved. Keep on referring to that, moved. So you got M, moved V, moved D, mass, volume, density. Now, we've been told that the mass is 45 grams, so we got that. We got the mass. We can calculate the volume and then we can work out the density. Once we work out the density, if it is less than this, it will float. If it's heavier than this, then it will not float. Okay, so let's work out, first of all, when we're working out the volume of a sphere, so volume of a sphere is going to equal to 4 thirds, 4 pi r cubed. That is the volume of a sphere. Must memorize that formula as it hasn't been given. So we know the volume of this sphere is going to be 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 2 cubed, which is 8. So if you put that in your calculator, you'll get 4 over 3 times pi times 8. It's going to give me 32 over 3 pi. And if we convert that, should we convert it now? If we convert that to approximate volume, you'll get it as 33.51 centimeter cubed. So that is the volume. So if I need to work out what the density is, I'll put my finger over D. That tells me density is equal to mass over volume. Mass over volume. I know that the mass is 45 grams, and we have just calculated the volume, which is 33.51 centimeter cubed. So if I do 45 shared by my answer from the previous calculation, I will get 2 decimal places, 1.34 grams per centimeter cubed. Now, since this is denser or heavier, okay, it's denser than 1.24 G per centimeter cubed, wood will float on density only when the density of that is less than that, but this is not, it's greater than that. Therefore, the wooden sphere will not